So today in this video we will see how to use basic function in Excel. So basically in this lesson or in this video I will cover how you can use sum function, count a function, count blank function, average function, minimum function and maximum function in Excel by taking some example. So basically in this video I will cover all these basic function. So basically question is, what is function? So basically function provides an easy way to perform mathematical work on a range of cell quickly and in a very easy way to get your output. Okay, so first function is sum function. When we are talking about Excel, so firstly people start using sum function, because this is most used function in Excel, we can say. So now sum means we have to add up some given number within the cell range. So just I am taking example. Suppose I have taken some example to show you how sum function work. So there are various way to add this. Okay, whether the number are given in a column or row is in both way sum function will work. So just I have taken example. So suppose I have to add this, just select all this. Okay, and here you can see formula, and also here you can see auto sum. So this is one method. By using auto sum we can add up. Now when you click on this cell, here you can see there is a different type of formula. So here suppose I want to add this. Okay, I can pass the range as well, B2, and we have to add till here, then E2. Okay, this is second method. If we are talking about third method, so we can do as like this: B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. This is another way to add the data. Now next one is just write sum in bracket, you can pass the number and make comma. So this is another way. Means in this example I have discussed 4 ways to add the given data, whether data are given in row or column. By using this method you can add up. So there can be various method as well, so that is not issue. Now talking about count function. So basically we have 3 count function. We have 3 count function. One is count. So basically count return all the number of level within a cell range. Okay, so basically count function, when you want to determine how many cells in a range contain a number. If you want to count a number, then you have to use count function. So here I am using, suppose, count function. Okay, and range is B2 to K2. Okay, here you can get 8. Why we are getting 8? So just see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here count return only number of cell where number is available. So there are 8 cells where number is available. Now talking about count A. So count A function give the number of all the cells where data is available, where data is number or text, it doesn't matter. So here you can see the 10. Why 10? 8 are number and 2 are text. Now third is count blank. It will return the number of cell which are blank. So here just pass B2, K2, no, sorry, here just pass M2. So 2. So here you can see 2 cells are blank. If here we are writing K2, it will return 0 because there is no any non-blank cell. So this is how we can use count function, count end function, and count blank function. Now talking about average function. So the average function adds a range of cell and then divide by the number of cell entry, determine the mean value of all value in the range. So just as we use in mathematics, to find out average, firstly we have to add up number and divided by total number of number. So here how to use average function. So here you can see we have now 8 data. If we have to find out average, just write average and pass the range B2, I2, press enter. So this will be average of given data. So this is method, by using this we can find average data. If you want to find minimum data, so just write minimum and pass the range B2 and I2. It will return minimum. So 23 is a minimum. Talking about maximum, in same manner we have to write maximum and pass the range B2, I2. Here it will return maximum. So these are some function. These are some very basic function in Excel. By using this this way we can use sum function, count function, count A function, count blank function, and average, max, and minimum. So now let's open the chapter. So we have already discussed sum, count, average, min, and max. Now let's discuss the given we have discussed the sum function, and we have already discussed average function, minimum function we have completed, maximum function we have completed. Now there are some multiple choice question. So which of the following calculation the total from the adjacent through the first non-numeric cell by default using the sum function in this formula? So that is basically auto sum formula. You want to add a range of cell and then divide by number of cell entries, determining the mean value of all values in the range. So which function should be used? So that is concept of average function. So B option is correct. You want to calculate the number of non-blank cell in your worksheet. Which function should be used? Non-blank. So we have to use count A function. Which of the following statement accurately describe the default selection for the automation? So you must make the selection before the clicking the automation. Yes, definitely. Firstly you have to select the range, then you click on the automation. The count and min function are example of which category of function? So basically these are example of statistical function. So I think I have covered all the point of the lesson 5 in this video. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.